Hey, if your phone hasn't started making money for you, then you are wasting that gadget. You are wasting your phone. If you have a smartphone and it hasn't started making money for you, you're wasting that gadget. And don't tell me that you need money. You don't need money. You can partner with multi-billion business. There are billionaires outside here that you can partner with them even if you have nothing. The only thing you need is your smartphone. This is the first partner you can partner with. You can start writing books, Kindle books on Amazon. What you are supposed to do is just to write and publish it on Amazon for free. And they will sell for you free. Number 2, you can partner with YouTube. Let me ask you, you always see 1.5 million people, subscribers on YouTube. Tell me where you can gather 1.5 million people and speak to them at once. 130,000 people. Where can you gather them? Do we have a room where you can gather them and speak to them? But when you come to YouTube, you can gather people. People can see your content. Millions of people. So YouTube is a partner. You can partner with it. Google. By just looking for keyword planner on Google. There are many people outside here looking for some phrases. They search. Get a Google keyword planner. Open that account. Look what people are looking for. Investigate. Be a solution. Make a video and share it using the same keywords that they are looking for. You will find that your video is having thousands of views and you can monetize from there now. So don't tell me that you don't have money. As long as you have a phone, you can be a billionaire using your phone. Number 3, you can do publicity. There are so many multi-billionaire business outside here that they need for publicity. Your work is to partner with them and advertise their product. That is what they want, to reach more people. And you can earn a commission using your phone. There are so many business outside here that they are in need of partners. And you can be one of them. So partner with them. Make money from them. Be consistent. Be serious about your life so that you can grow wealthy. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.